In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the camera and the Quill and notebook as well. So we're in Minecraft right now, and you will see down the bottom here, we have our inventory panel, and there's only one thing in there at the moment. So we need to add our camera and we need to add our Quill and notebook. And to do that, we go to this very end one here with the three dots and tap that. And down here, you'll see the magnifying glass. We just tap on that button. And in our search bar up the top, simply type in camera. That's it right there. And to add it to our inventory, you tap the square at the bottom in your inventory panel. So there we've got our camera. Now we can go back up the top and we can search for our Quill and notebook. So you'll see here I've just typed in the word Quill and it appears automatically. See, it's got a notebook with the little quill on top of it there. Same thing as the camera. We press on that and add it to our inventory at the bottom, and then you can close off that list. To use the camera, we'll just face this way here. To use the camera, select it from the bottom and just tap your screen and you'll see that it drops it down. You'll notice that a little message popped up saying take a picture, and it's already disappeared on me. So to get that to reappear, you just need to move up a bit closer to your camera until that comes up. Press take picture and you'll see the camera goes through the processes to take a photo, and there's our photo, and that saves that in the game. For our Quill and notebook, you would tap on that and you just press right. And so you've got a few options here. So down the bottom where the pencil is in the notebook, you tap that. And then you tap on the screen and you can type something here. And you can also add a photo. And for a lot of your activities, you'll be asked to type on one page and add a photo on the other. So on page 2 here, I'm going to press the pencil to edit again. Press the picture button, which is this one. And you'll see that's the photo that we just took with the camera. So to add that to Seesaw, simply take a screenshot on your iPad and just upload that as a picture. So give those things a go. If you have any issues, please make sure you contact your teacher. Thanks for watching.